cracking outside of the shoulder stripe throughout the section. The slurry seal doesn't really show any other real distress other than some longitudinal cracking in a couple areas of some weathering. See where we've lost part of the slurry there, just a small area. Again up there. Tire gouge, looks like someone came across with a flat tire, chewed up some of the surface. Haven't found any cracking in the outer wheel path on this section. It's all inside. Back up here. It's about the biggest crack on the whole section right here. It's a low severity longitudinal crack. It's on the outer fringe of the inside wheel path. See some lighter, smaller cracking. Here again in the inside wheel path. Micaceous material in the slurry seal is giving it a very sparkling appearance. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but the way the sun is, it's glittery. This area right here looks like a window or something fell off a truck, then got run over a bunch of times and actually left the impression of a window frame in the surface of the pavement. Again, here's some more longitudinal cracking. It's very slight, but it is there. Very low severity. Here's a transverse crack. Transverse crack, there's some longitudinal cracking in the center lane. And this transverse crack's propagated off of that cracked area, but it's made it into our lane. Very short, less than a meter long. Low severity. We're doing dipstick readings, so we've got to calculate what the rut depths are. I don't really have those right now. There's some decent rutting. Some areas throughout all these sections. There's another gouge where we've lost some of the slurry on the surface. The end of the test section. Looking back up to the start of the test section. This ends the survey. It's a video survey of test section 130504 in the SPS5 project in Georgia. It is extremely cold out this morning. About 35 degrees with a 20-mile-an-hour wind. Test section has some pretty good rutting, a little bit of weathering in the outer wheel path in some areas, some longitudinal cracking mainly along the inside lane edge and some in the inner wheel path, all low severity. This is just like all the others. It's got a slurry seal on top of a friction course.